Hello folks, welcome back to the Keep Productive YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be giving you a few updates and also a few plans that are coming up here on the channel. So without further ado, let's roll into today's video. Folks, this is just going to be a short video. I want to start by thanking all of you guys. I've been away for a month and a half now properly, and I just want to thank you all for your support. I've been reading the comments, the conversations in the groups, and also some of the debates, and just been keeping updated from afar. But as you can imagine, I've thoroughly enjoyed my time off, and a lot of people have respected that, so thank you. I've really enjoyed the time off with Otto and Becca, and we've definitely started to get more into a routine than we were, say, a month and a half ago, even though that's definitely all changing every day. But it's really good fun, and I've enjoyed the time off. I also wanted to extend a thank you to the creators that come on the channel whilst I was away. I did request a lot of people to do some videos, and naturally they're up on the channel over the last couple of weeks, and they've been amazing. So a big thank you to the creators. And if you want to go on a sort of follow spree here on YouTube, I'll include them below. Obviously, during the last month and a half, I've learned so much, not just about like learning how to manage a baby, but also like about my own productivity system. Like I've pretty much sort of rebuilt it from scratch, but with the same parts. And it's very interesting how that's happened. So hopefully over the next couple of weeks on my own channel, I'll be able to document some of that and give you some idea of how a life change can affect, obviously, a productivity system. So the second thing I want to talk about is the commentary here on this channel. Firstly, I want to address one of the things that's been bothering me, and some things that I see in the comments quite regularly, and also some things I've received on email, is the depth of this channel. Over the last couple of months, things have moved at a fairly fast pace in the productivity space, and one thing I haven't done here on this channel is gone into depth. I've mainly covered a general range of applications, but in a very surface level introductory sort of aspect. And I tend to do that fairly well because I guess I like picking apps and I like finding out what the updates are and giving you informed information, but I do think they could be much more informed, and I do apologize for that, and that's something that I want to work on. And the second thing there is obviously this channel has been putting out some videos while we've been away. I've been doing some when I've got 5 minutes to spare. But as you can imagine, the video quality hasn't been amazing. So I'm addressing that. I'm going to try and make the video quality a lot better and the editing a lot better too. So do stay tuned for that. And I do apologize, sort of a bit of roughness over the last month. It's probably a combination of lack of sleep and just being not in that sort of growth mindset all the time, which I think you should be. And hopefully you'll see some changes. You will see some changes. So topics wise, the one thing that I think I have missed a boat on is because as I was sort of toning down for paternity leave, I missed out on covering Rome research a lot, and Rome has been growing rapidly, the community's been developing, and that's something I want to get my teeth stuck into. I've got a couple of videos coming up with August and John, who are both two fantastic creators, and they both talk about Rome in a video, but I want to dive a lot deeper, so do stay tuned for some videos. But that whole sort of networked thought, note-taking aspect, I do want to dive deeper and share some of my opinions. But of course, I know it's my opinion, so naturally I want to get you all the aspects of the sort of big picture. So now that's sort of the major sort of progressional things, I want to talk about something very tangible. Number 3 is the June 30th. This is a date that's going to be hopefully very special if I manage to get it out on time. But I'm not going to tell you too much detail, but I'm working on something that hopefully will help you to interactively find a tool a little bit better. I think that sometimes it can be a little bit boring finding a tool, and I want to help you find the right tool a bit more effectively and interactively. And I'm quite excited. Hopefully over the next 30 days we can get this product out. I wouldn't say it's a product, I'd say it's more of like a tool, and hopefully that would help you to pick a tool a little bit more efficiently. At least something that will get you a little bit further in your research. But folks, I wanted to thank you because you've been amazing with your support, and I am excited to be back, but also excited to be a new dad and learn as I go, and I think that's really cool. So folks, thank you very much, and I will talk to you all very soon in a future video, and make sure to have a great week, keep productive, and I'll talk to you all very soon. Cheers everyone, bye.